How's it going, guys? I'm Juan from JJ800. Starting my YouTube channel here to show you guys some of the products and parts that we offer. Here we have a local customer that brought us his K20 A2. He's going to be rocking our JJ800 horsepower kit, which consists of Trom standard turbo 1101 pistons and a Sands H-beam rod. Customer should be making around 7 to 750 horsepower in his MR2. It's going to be a fun daily driver. We went over all the bearings we used, and also went over piston and rod support that we give for this. As you guys know, we run Sands in our sport front wheel drive. We've gone 828 at 188 using their rods and Trom pistons, so it's definitely a strong product, and the support is second to none. I highly recommend them. So we're also going to go over, we're going to do all-wheel drive RSX on the channel. We're going to do all-wheel drive EK. We're also going to do MR2 full build that we're going to show transmission and motor build for that car. So make sure you guys stay tuned and continue to follow the channel.